Morning everybody. Quite a few have asked me to do a tutorial on the tuxedo sleeve for the chocolate bar, so I'll try. Now bear with me. Right, A4 piece of paper, and you cut that to 7 7/8 by 7 1/4. Okay, the small piece you can discard, but this piece don't throw away, that'll be your jacket. Right, on the 7 7/8 side you will score at, now before I do that I have to tell you that this chocolate bar is, because you have to save the same size chocolate bar, but I'll show you something else in a bit if you haven't. This one is 3 by 3/8, no 3 3/8 by 6 3/4, 3 3/8 by 6 3/4, and I've got this at Home Bargains. Okay, right, so on the 7 7/8 side you score at 3/8, you score at 3 3/4, 4 3/8, no, 4 1/8, sorry, 4 1/8, 4 1/8, and at 7 1/2. Okay, turn it 90 degrees and you score it at 6 7/8. Okay, now fold your score lines. So this is for a box at 3 3/8 by, what did we say, chocolate for 3 3/8 by 6 3/4, 3 3/8 by 6 3/4. Great organisation here, eh? Right, then you get the little, can you see that down here? You cut one corner, not this corner, just one corner off. It doesn't matter which one. Just cut one corner off. Little tiny corner there. You just cut that off. And the other two, you just cut your slots in there like this, so that it ends up being a flap. Can you see that? I don't know which one I held that. Flap. And you do that with this one. Just the one cut, and then you got the flap. Okay, and then you glue it together. Fold this one over and this line over. Okay, and for speed I use my 80G gun. Just go along one of these. Okay, bear with me. And then open this flap up. Okay, and then you put this together. One's open, one's folded. And actually it should just go together like a box, she says, with a little sort of 3-inch gusset. There. See? So that you have now, I didn't fold that score line, something like that. Okay, can you see that? Then you fold these back a bit, you get your two little flaps on the side, fold them in, fold that over, put some glue on here. That was a bit much, wasn't it? and fold that over. Okay, put your chocolate in so that you got something sturdy to put over and put it right in. There you go. And then you got like a little very thin box of chocolate. Okay, how many minutes? 5. Oh my life. Oh. See, that's why I've got the ribbon in there, because it's hard to get out again. Okay, I have to try it with the ribbon. You put your ribbon round your chocolate. Okay, she says. Put your ribbon round your chocolate like this. And then you put your chocolate in there. And then when you want to pull it out, it's easier to pull out. Okay? But I'm leaving it in there now. So now what you want to do is get that spare piece of paper that you had, which is, and I forgot to measure it, which is anyway, let me do it round here. I did have it. See? That's why I don't do tutorials. I use that and I just wrap it round. Let me do it upside down. You put it on your box, right? And you just wrap it round as a jacket. That way and that way. Okay? Can you see that? Then you've got like, it looks like that because where you've just folded it. You fold it like this and see from here to here. This is your front, okay? This is your jacket, right? Fold it like this. So this is the open bit. This is open. Make sure you get it right. Then from about a third down, you round it off like this, which then will be the bottom of your jacket, like that. Can you see it like this? You've got more time, you can either do it more or less. Then you take the top corner up here and you fold it to the side like that. Flap the other one out, hold it there and flap that one to the side, so that you then end up like that. Can you see that? Oh God, I'm making myself clear. Like that. So there's your jacket. Put your button there. Okay, your cummerbund is, for this one, it's 3 3/8 by 6 3/4. And then what I did, if you can see all them lines, I just put it on the scoring board and I just scored it every 1/8 of an inch, so that I have cut those lines, and I thought they looked quite nice. Don't know whether you can see them on there. Can you see them? Yeah. How many minutes? 9 minutes. Okay, Marina, get a shufty on. Then you put that on there, see if it fits, see how far, how much you want sticking out. That's about right. Oh, sorry. Then you take it and score it 3/8, turn it all the way over and score 3/8 again. Does that make sense? 3/8. I'll turn it down like that. It's upside down, isn't it? For you lot. Put it there. You call it. It's 3/8. Turn it round. 3/8. Go like that and score it every 8. And this is 3/8 and 6 3/4. You know, I could get my first thumbs down here. Then put your jacket to the top, put your cummerbund in, close your jacket, and see how much you, or how far you want it sticking out. I mean, you might want more sticking out for your cummerbund. There you go. Okay, see, it's a bit wonky now. There you go, that's better. Okay, so far so good. Now let me just put a bit of glue there. No, don't you do that. I'm just doing it so that I can hold it there a minute. So that. Then you get a white piece of paper, which we shall just cut at, let's cut it at 3 by, let's say 3 by 3. See, this is how I put mine together, sorry to say. Does that fit in there now? Yes. See, that fits nicely into there now. Okay, into there. So now what you do is you snip the sides, go on the edge, and you go sort of a quarter of the way in there, turn it and go a quarter of the way in there, and this is about, it's about a quarter of an inch either way. You just turn it, then you turn that way and that one that way, and Bob's your uncle, you got your collar. Right, see that again? You make a slit there, and fold it down and fold it down, and you got your shirt. Bob's your uncle. Okay, I've done that the wrong way around. I want this side on. Now what you can do is, which is what she did, when you then, how many minutes? 12, sorry. When you then, does this make any sense? I don't know. You glue this down, you glue them 2 bits down, okay? I'm trying to hurry, I am trying to hurry up, sorry. So then you glue all this down, okay? And slide that in there. You might have the problem with the cummerbund. Now you can either glue this in as it is, obviously straight, preferably straight. You can glue that in, or you can leave it loose and then pull it out and put a sentiment on there. So for instance, Happy Christmas, or that's what she did. And I mean, that was quite effective, you know. The other thing, she just left the plain shirt. Now what else I've done, ta-da! Where the heck's it gone? For my little dicky bow, I have done, oh, I did have it, oh no, I would have, wouldn't I? There. I don't know what you're going to do, but this is what I did. See that? The die. It's this one. So then all I did was made it smaller on each side. Is that about right? Yes. Took this piece here. And put a bit of glue on the top. Look, if this video goes off, I'll have to come and do the next one. Okay. Fold that one over and that one over. and you got your dicky bow. This keeps